Ushers, please bring the baskets. We are going for Thanksgiving. Let's have the baskets for Thanksgiving. Thank you so much, choir. As we continue, we are going into a time of thanksgiving. We shall invite abagole baife baida kwida bemere wano ku altar, baida kwegayitibwaku abazaire n'abantu abakulu abali muno tuida kwemerera wano baida kubanga bawayo kwebaza kwaibwe era tuida kusaba n'abaawula abandi abambaire tujere mu tenti twabibweko abakebezi twebazisa abantu tukikole mangu mangu. We are going to a time of giving thanks. Our king and queen will stand at the altar joined by the dignitaries here and the clergy. Reverend Margaret will lead that and other clergy. The rest of the clergy, we can go into the other tent and receive the thanksgiving from the people. We may not all fit at the altar, but some clergy can remain here and receive thanksgiving from other dignitaries who are in this tent. And the rest of us in that big tent, we shall put our thanksgiving offering in the baskets that are coming there. Basebo nibanyawo tulija musere kyokwebaza. Ise bantu nine bantu bali kwidano ku altar baida kwegayitibwaku abakulu abali wano bona. The vice president, the first deputy speaker, the parents, Mama Najinda, n'abantu abatontono abantu sobola osigala we tuli abazaire baife abatuzaalira abagole mwida kwida wano ku altar kuba n'omukisa bajja kusabira awo nga twankamala okuwaayo tuweeyo okuwaayo kw'okwebaza. Choir, give us a song as people bring their thanksgiving. Let me read the numbers once again. Choir, hold on. The number to offer on is 0782 12 12 75. 0782 12 12 75. Airtel is 0704 12 12 74. In the names of Matthias Michael Katiko, that is the vicar of Christ's Cathedral Bugembe. Let me invite the rest of us mentioned to come and join the royal couple as we give our thanksgiving offering. Parents and other close dignitaries. I think the rest of us, after giving, the thanksgiving, the rest of us can go and sit. Let's request our abagole to go back and sit after giving the thanksgiving. We request those at the altar to kneel as we get the nuptial blessings. Katusaba abali ku altar bafukamire, abazaire baife n'abagole nga Ssaabalabirizi ajja basabira. Let's have the microphones here, please. Let's have the microphones here at the altar. Can we have the microphones here?